In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Grok's voice mode so you can have real conversations hands-free. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and I want you to hover to the left side area of your dashboard and go to the voice. Now, the voice feature is a way to interact with the AI using spoken language instead of typing. Okay? So instead of just reading and typing text, you can talk to Grok and hear it speak back to you in natural sounding voices. Now if you do, it would ask you to use your microphone. And if you are not sure of what microphone you are using, you can simply choose from any of the following options in the drop-down menu. Since I am recording this video, I am using the default streaming microphone. So I have it. I'm gonna click allow this time. If you do, it's connecting. It may take a little while. And then once it's successful, you should be able to see like a microphone icon here. That means you can start speaking to Grok, right? And if you want to add a volume right here, you can do so. But you want to make sure that this is not turned off. It's like mute. So here you can start talking to Grok if you want. Alright, you can do that and it would automatically respond. However, since I am recording this video, I cannot simply use that here. But in your case, you should be able to do that. Right? For example, we're gonna type it here, say hello, and then while at it, here, you can choose from the voice if you wanted Ara, which is an upbeat female, Eve, a soothing female, Leo, a British male, Gork, a lazy male, Sal, smooth male, Rex, a clay male, which is going to be your personality, assistant, therapist, storyteller, mediation. You can simply choose from any of the following, and if you want to speed it up, alright, you have the ability to do so. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to use the voice feature in Grok AI. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.